So IP6869K. What that is that doesn't let dust in. No dust and debris is going to get into this thing. In water, you can submerge this in water. You can put this in water with like high temperature, high pressure streaming jets, which means if you take this out, go camping with it, and you beat the tar out of it like I have, you can literally stick this in the dishwasher and wash it off. Your iPad can't do that. Your iPad, to get your iPad dirty, you got to be very careful cleaning it. This, stick it in the dishwasher. You're good to go. Don't believe me?
A few moments later.
Well, that's 3 iPads we've destroyed for this channel.
You know what the worst kind of meaninglessness is? Not the ones who have become weary of pain, but the ones who have become weary of pleasure.